Welcome back to the AMD Tribute project. We're now coming to the final stages of finishing this machine off. We've had to install some extra lighting which you haven't seen on some of the other videos. So we've actually installed a strip lighting up here which projects a bit of light down onto the black panel and the logo. And it's because when I was testing it, it just seemed very dark at the top, but we've now resolved that issue. It's plugged into the Molexes similar to all the other lighting, and it's looking pretty cool. We've got the fans installed, we've got everything on the motherboard installed, including the memory. We've got the Radeon hard drive. We've got the light bars that we've designed using a 3D printer and got red LEDs, and it's working pretty good. The final stage of this is the graphics card. Now, we've managed to pick up this excellent graphics card. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a reference card. I did search for them and couldn't find anything that would actually be very suitable for this machine, so I managed to pick this up. This is from CEX. It's a bit of a lucky find, really, because you don't really know what you're going to get from CEX, but I put an order in and this one turned up. This is a Radeon RX 560. It's a Gigabyte version. It's one of the highest models of this specific card that they do, so I kind of looked out. It's got DVI, HDMI and digital display port, and it's actually quite a beefy card. It doesn't require any additional power, so what we've done is we've taken out the extra power line that was put in, and we've took that back through the case and hidden it up into the blank panel at the top. So now all's left to do is fit it up, get the machine installed, and see if we can get it running. That's a very easy install for this graphics card in this case. You have your PCI Express slot there. We've already taken up the only other PCI slot with a wireless card. We flip the little panel at the back, insert the graphics card, and it should just clip straight into place. Like that. Now we just take two screws from the case, from our little lucky bag of screws, insert them into the back, lock the panel in, which actually requires another little screw, and that actually sits down on the graphics card plate so it can't move anywhere now. It's quite secure. Like I said, this graphics card doesn't require any extra power supplies, so there's nothing else that's going to be shown from the front. It's really clean, it's a really good design. And now what we need to do is get it installed and see what it can do. And here it is, tribute to AMD build. We took a budget case, we took some low-end parts, a bit of creativity, put it all together, and we made something that actually plays games, plays them very well, works great, and looks beautiful. If you want to be able to see any more projects like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again soon.